everyone, welcome back to Property Cloud. I am Roshni and today we are going to talk about one of the Bengaluru's upcoming luxury residential destination, codenamed Blue Moon at Century Immensity, located on International Airport Road, Jagpur, Bengaluru. With neo-luxe residences, expansive living spaces, and thoughtfully curated lifestyle amenities, this project is designed for those who want a refined and premium living experience. So in this video, we will cover the project overview, location and connectivity, amenities and lifestyle, configuration, pricing and booking details. So let's start with a quick overview of the project. Codename Blue Moon by Century Group is a premium residential development located at Century Immensity Jagpur, one of the Bengaluru's emerging luxury residential corridor. The project is part of 50 plus acre lifestyle destination, bringing together modern architecture, premium residences, and curated lifestyle experiences. Designed in collaboration with global design partners, codename Blue Moon offers spacious 3 and 4 bed neo-luxe residences created with a strong focus on privacy, comfort, and contemporary luxury. The project features a 40,000 square feet Grand Laws clubhouse, along with a premium wellness, recreational, and social spaces. So, if you are planning for a luxury home that offers both space and an elevated lifestyle, then codename Blue Moon definitely a project worth exploring. So, coming to the location, codename Blue Moon enjoys a strategic address on International Airport Road, Jagpur, and this is one of the Bengaluru's rapidly developing premium residential corridors with excellent connectivity to major business hubs, educational institutions, lifestyle destination, and the international airport. Talking about the connectivity, so Kempegowda International Airport is approximately 20 to 25 minutes away. Hebbil is around 15 minutes, while Manyata Tech Park is approximately 15 to 20 minutes away. Yelahanka can be reached in around 10 minutes, and Bengaluru city center is approximately 30 minutes away. So whether it's your daily commute, business travel, or airport connectivity, the location offers a good balance of convenience and accessibility. And now let's talk about the lifestyle experiences. So codename Blue Moon offers a thoughtfully curated mix of wellness, recreation, and social amenities. The highlight is the 40,000 square feet grand clubhouse, swimming pool, open air theatre, outdoor fitness zone, tennis court, children play area, and landscape community spaces. So whether you want to stay active, relax after a long day, or spend quality time with family and friends, then there is something for everyone. And now coming to the pricing and configuration, so codename Blue Moon offers 3 and 4 bed neo-luxe residences designed with spacious layout and premium specification. The residences come with expansive living spaces, elegant architecture, premium finishes, excellent natural light and ventilation, and privacy-focused layout. The starting price is approximately 4.25 crore rupees onwards. And if you are interested in exploring the project, a site visit will give you a better understanding of the residences and the overall development. During the site visit, you can explore the detailed floor plan, residences specification, clubhouse, and amenities along with the latest pricing and available inventory. The payment plan and booking process will also be explained in detail, and International Airport Road and Jagpur are emerging at some of the Bengaluru's premium residential corridor, offering a strong combination of connectivity, infrastructure, and modern lifestyle. Codename Blue Moon at Century Immensity brings together neo-luxe residences, expansive spaces, a grand clubhouse, and thoughtfully designed lifestyle experience to create an exclusive luxury address in Bengaluru. So if you are looking for a premium home or a long-term investment opportunity in North Bengaluru, then this project is definitely worth considering. For brochure, latest pricing, detailed payment plan, or to schedule a site visit, you can check the link provided in the description. And if you enjoy such premium property videos, then don't forget to subscribe to Property Cloud. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services, and much more.